Well, hey, how's everybody doing? Spike in the shop again. Hey, I'm doing the ABCs of guitar building, and I'm on number C. This is C. This here is a Harmony Strata, whatever it is, I think they called it. It's an old 50s model, whatever. It's got a neck that sits kind of deep in the body here, and I'm doing something crazy on the headstock because I had a little issue up there. I'll show it to you in just a second. But this is basic body style right here. This piece of mahogany with a piece of maple running right through the center, and I just got to clean it up and thin it and get it way a lot thinner than it is. It's way too thick, but it's what I had. And then the neck is going to be a 3x3 neck like this with a little bit bigger headstock on it than my Melody Maker, and it goes in about that deep. And we're going to cut it down quite a bit because it's way too thick. Y'all can see that. But when I started cutting into it, I had ran into a little problem here. Check that out, guys. See that? That's a screw. When I was cutting this neck blank out, if you look at the color of that on the back, you'll know what that come from, right? Piano brace. I cut braces out of pianos, and I guess I missed a screw. And it was in that piece of wood, and, well, I took this off to get to it. But it's right there, and I cut it out. But I'm going to taper down right here and go down anyway, and the whole headstock's got to drop down. So this was just roughing out a blank for this one. This is just blanks for this guitar to get started. And this is my Harmony. This is guitar C, episode 1. And it's going to be heck keeping up with all these things, but you know, I guess I'm just making it hard on myself for the fun of it. Because I ain't cared about nobody voting for them. I'm just having fun. So, hey, if you enjoy them and you like them, come back and look at them. And I'm going to show you how I'm building them, okay? So, hey, watch along. There's a little footage of what I've done with this today. And there's a little footage in the last one of what I done on it. And I'm just going to try to keep it all together and turn it out every few days. And then later on, I'll go back and get the footage I want and make my videos. Because I'm not in it for winning, so I'm just in it to make videos and have fun. So we're going to have fun and make guitars. So anyway, the Harmony is guitar C. And y'all watch out. Spike could get further than that up the list if you don't watch out quick. Because, I mean, he's already got A, B, and C. and I got ADHD, so there's no telling where I'm going to end up. So hey, thank you for coming by. I appreciate every one of you stopping in, and just a little update on where we got on some of these guitars today. And number C, or letter C, is well, it's on the way to getting there. We got things to do, but give me a couple of days. Tomorrow I ain't gonna get much done. I got to take the wife to the doctor. So yep, now I'm gonna jump off of here, get to editing, and try to turn y'all out a couple of videos this evening. So hey, stay out of trouble, be good, and catch up when you can. Hey, you know what it is? You can't take it with you. That's right. You can't take it with you. So build you another guitar and have some fun, and hey, live life. Later, guys. See you next time. Hey, oh wait, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and all that, because I keep telling people to get that shit, and they tell me I'm supposed to do that. Later. Bye. Hey, welcome into the Frugal Fixer shop, and today I'm going to show you how I roughed out the Harmony here, guitar number C. Yeah, I'm working through A, B, C's here. Today I roughed out B and C and laid out some wood for A. It's been a busy day. Yeah, all my days are like that. So y'all should hang around sometime. I got another channel, and I'm making content for it right now, and it's called ADHD Spike. And when you go to that one, I don't say nothing. It's just zoom, 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 work. You'll see. Y'all stick around. Let's see you later.